Here's how to create your own LLC in less than 5 minutes. First thing you're going to want to do is head over to the IRS website and apply for your own EIN number. When you begin the application, there's going to be a lot of different options to choose from. You want to make sure you choose LLC or limited liability company. Once you're done filling out the application, that should take you around 3 to 5 minutes. You're going to want to make sure that you save the PDF file that they give you at the end of the application. Anytime you go to apply for a business bank account or you go to apply for things, you're going to want to have proof that you applied for your EIN number and that you have your EIN number. Now that you register with the federal government, we got to go ahead and register with the state government. Whatever state you're in, go to Google. I live in PA, so I typed in Pennsylvania State Secretary website. This is where you're going to be able to register your newly formed LLC with the state. Sometimes you have to pay a fee, sometimes you don't, depending on the state you live in. I live in Pennsylvania, so it's a $125 fee. It's going to ask you for a lot of the same information when you fill out your EIN number, but eventually you'll get to the end and you'll have a fully formed LLC. A lot of people will charge you money to do this for you, but now you know exactly how to do it for yourself for free.